My name's Malcolm Clark. I'm working here at the Arthur Conan Doyle Centre in Edinburgh, and today I'm going to share some very elementary or beginners breathing exercises. There is a force inside the body that instigates or initiates breathing that is not dependent on external situations, and this force imposes itself on the diaphragm, which is the area of the body between the chest and the abdomen. The diaphragm, when it contracts, flattens, air comes in through the nose and mouth, comes into the lungs, and then as the diaphragm relaxes, the air passes back out. So this is the breathing mechanism. Now when we're doing any kind of breathing exercise, we are voluntarily interfering with this diaphragm action. So we can breathe in and we can hold the breath in, we can breathe out and hold the breath out, we can speed the breath up, we can slow the breath down, and all of these are egoic processes which interfere or manipulate the rate of breathing. Now breathing has a lot to do with our psychology, and dependent on our psychological state, the rate of breathing corresponds with that particular state. Vice versa, we are able to interfere or modify our psychological state by introducing changes in our breathing. So let's do a simple exercise to begin. If you take a breath in, take a breath in and hold the breath for a moment. Breathe in. Not to close the throat. Use the diaphragm to hold the breath. Now breathe all the way out. Expel the air, go right to the bottom, empty the lungs. Now breathe all the way back in. Hold the breath in. And again, breathe out. Breathe all the way out, empty the lungs. Now, by doing what we've just been doing, we've interfered with the natural rate of breathing. We can also add on some timing mechanism. So today we're going to use a simple metronome. You know, one of these that musicians use to time their particular musical performance. If you breathe in for 4 counts, breathe in. Now breathe out for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 1, 2. Back in. And out. Good. And relax. Let the breath return to natural. Now the next exercise is to ascertain how many breaths or how many seconds it takes to breathe in and also to breathe out. So allow your breath to become natural. While you're doing this, you're going to count how long it takes to breathe in and how long it takes to breathe out in the most natural way. Start when you're ready, so allow the breath to come in and breathe out. Now let your breath be natural and count, these are 1 second intervals. So as you're breathing in, count how long it takes to breathe in and breathe out how long it takes to breathe out. So see if you can get how many seconds to breathe in, how many seconds to breathe out. And do a few rounds until you feel you've understood clearly how long it takes. So for an average healthy person, it's about 2 seconds to in-breath and 3 seconds to out-breath. This varies a little depending on your healthy state. Children and babies tend to breathe much more quickly. Dogs and animals tend to breathe more quickly as well. But 2 breaths or 2 seconds to breathe in and 3 seconds to breathe out is a natural rate. Now let's go back to the 4 counts in and 4 counts out. Start when you're ready. 4 counts in, 4 counts out. What did you notice when you did that? What did you notice about the temperature of the body? What did you notice about the way you feel? Do you feel more tense, more relaxed? Do you feel more concentrated or more dispersed? Do it again and notice how you feel. What's your psychological state, the way you feel, feelings to do with heart, chest, feeling, yes, like, dislike, these qualities. When you're breathing in and you're breathing out, 4 seconds in, 4 seconds out, what's your feeling state as you do it? Now stop the exercise, let the breath return to natural, and again, what's your feeling state? What did you notice? The difference between breathing in and out for 4 counts compared to a natural breathing state. What did you notice about your feeling? Any difference? If not, if you didn't notice a difference, try the exercise on your own at a later time. Now let's do something else.